everyone and welcome back to my channel once again. So today's video will be about how to do everyday beginner's makeup step by step. So if you want to achieve this look which I've done, please keep watching my video, and if you like it, please give it a like, share, subscribe and comment. And without wasting time, let's get started. We are going to start our makeup with smooth canvas. We are going to apply moisturizer on our face. I'm using Clinique Moisture Surge. This suits my skin. You can use any moisturizer of your choice. And give at least 5 to 10 minutes to your product to get into your skin. Don't just rush to your makeup immediately after applying your moisturizer. Apply it to your neck too. We are going to start our eye makeup first. I have this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer and Maybelline concealer. If you don't have primer, you can use concealer, but primer helps in easy application of product and it makes your eyeshadow stay for a longer time. So I'll suggest you to invest money in buying a good eyeshadow primer. Now with the help of your finger, just dab it around your eye nicely. Now I'm going to use concealer to color correct my eyelid skin. I'm going to dab it nicely. You can dab it with brush or finger, whichever way suits you. So I'm just covering all the part. And now I'm going to lock my concealer with face powder so my concealer stays at place. I'm using NYX 3-step sculpt to lock my concealer in. Now take any nude eye palette. There are so many amazing nude palettes in the market. This one is Morphe 35G. It has so many beautiful brown shades that complements skin, skin of my tone. I'm going to use this light shade of brown and I'm just going to use fluffy brush to apply it all over my eyelid. So I'm just going to apply it over my eyelid. I'm not moving anywhere else. So just apply it over your eyelid with the help of a brush or finger, whichever is available. So once I'm done, to add a little shine, I apply the shimmery eyeshadow on the center of my eyelid. This makes my eyes look awake. Just a little bit of it to give that shimmery, glittery look, yet subtle one. So I'm using brown eyeliner today. Try replacing your black eyeliner with brown. It gives such an intense yet subtle look, especially during daytime. Brown eyeliners looks amazing. So this one is from Stella. This is Stella's brown eyeliner. So now you just have to follow your lash line, the band of your lash line, just follow it, and you can go as thick and thin you want to. I like it to keep it just a little thick, so I am putting it thick. If you want, you can put it thin. Now I'm going to show you after I have done both my eyes. Now we're going to move with mascara. I'm using L'Oreal Voluminous Paradise Mascara, and shake it well and just swirl it so that the products get into your brush. And I'm going to apply it from bottom to up. Depending on the mascara, you should at least do 2 to 3 coats. Now I'm going to leave my lower lash line and I'm moving to my face. I'm using this primer. You should always use primer. Primer is a whole game changer of your makeup. So always apply primer for smooth and long lasting makeup. Never skip your primer. And give at least 5 to 10 minutes for your primer to absorb in your skin, just like your moisturizer. Don't just rush after putting your primer. So just give it a good time, 5 to 10 minutes. Now you can use either foundation or BB cream. If you don't have BB cream, not a problem. We can make our own BB cream. What you have to do is, you have to take some foundation. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me. I'm in the shade 220. And I'm going to take a little bit of foundation on my hand and I'm going to mix it with moisturizer. Now with the help of a brush, I'm going to damp my brush with facial toner and I am just going to mix it up. So in this way you have created your own BB cream for lighter coverage. If you want full coverage, you can use foundation, but during daytime I like to keep it light, so I use BB cream or this mix of foundation and moisturizer. It just gives you such a sheen look. So now you're just going to do the stippling motion, and with the help of stippling motion just apply your foundation all over your face, around your nose, around your eyes. Don't forget your neck. Always apply your foundation on your neck, chest. So once I've applied it, I'm going to move with the concealer. I'm using Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I'm in the shade medium. And I'm going to apply concealer under my eyes, middle of my forehead, around my mouth, and the bridge of my nose. And I'm going to take beauty blender. You can use brush also. And now I'm going to just damp it a little bit. And with the bouncing motion, just cover your concealer under your eyes and around your nose and mouth and forehead. Don't drag it, just with the bouncing motion use it, otherwise you're going to move your products all over your face. So with the bouncing motion, I have applied my concealer. I like to put some on my lips too, so then that way my lipstick color comes good, much better. Now I'm going to leave my concealer just the way it is. I'm going to move to fill my eyebrow. So I'm going to grab an eyebrow brush, and with light feather motion I am just going to apply it. Please don't drag your brush, just with the light hand with the feather motion fill your eyebrows. Trace your natural eyebrows and make it thick as you like, or thin. So you have seen I have not touched my concealer. I've just applied it. I have not applied any powder. I'm going to tell you why I have not applied my powder under my eyes. Because if there is going to be any creasing, it is going to happen. Now with the help of finger, I'm just going to make sure that there is no under eye creasing, because once I've locked it with face powder, it is going to get locked. So before I'm going to lock it with face powder, I just make sure that with the help of my finger, I just remove all my under eye crease. So I'm just going to apply the face powder wherever I've applied concealer to lock it up. Now it's blush time. Now I'm going to use blush palette, but if you don't have a blush palette, of course you can use lipstick of your choice as blusher, and it gives such a sheen look. I'm using MAC Tweak. It is such a gorgeous shade. It's pinkish, brownish, nude color. I just love it. If you are of my shade, try using this lipstick. It's really nice for everyday look. It's really nice. So I'm just gonna put some on my lips too. So if you're thinking of using your lipstick as blusher, it's a great idea. So I'm going to use this NYX filler gloss to give that plump effect on my lips. Just a little bit of it. So it just makes my lip little shiny and little plumpy. Now I'm going to use some highlighter. Always use a little bit of highlighter. It just gives you a light glowy look. So I'm just applying it around my cheeks, over my bridge of my nose, and some under my eyebrows also. It just makes your eyebrow looks lifted, so it's really nice to put it. Now I'm going to move to the lower lash lines. So I'm using brown eyeliner. This is Rimmel London brown eyeliner, and I'm just applying it. Brown is such a gorgeous color, and it looks so good on your eyes, better than black. So just try it out for the daytime look. Just try replacing your black. So now I'm going to use Clinique lower lash line mascara, and I'm going to just put some mascara. Now I'm almost finished. So
So I'm going to use some setting spray to lock my makeup. Now if you don't have a setting spray, you can use this facial spray. This gives you sheen look. Now just look forward, don't blink your eyes, just close your eyes and give it a good spray all over it. Now just let it air dry, don't drag it, don't use brush. I have this small fan, it helps my product to just get absorbed quickly. So now I am done with my everyday makeup look. It just takes me 15 minutes to do this look, and this is such a gorgeous look you can wear every day. So do try it and let me know. You can see the shine and you can see the beauty still. Thank you so very much.